Hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new TRX mining platform where you can mine TRX. You can also take withdraw from this website very easily and quickly. You can choose your first pay email address and you can also choose your wallet to make deposit, to increase earning, to start your early earning in this mining website. If you scroll down, 2500 users using this website, almost 1500 TRX deposit, 633 TRX paid out from this website in number of days. More scroll down, you can read out all this useful information about this money platform. How can you reach here and how can you start your money? I will provide a link in the description. You need to click on the link and you can reach here very easily and quickly. Just click on. You can choose any of your required wallet address, any of your required method to start your money. I just recommend you to choose first pay so that you can make deposit and start your money quickly. I have already made deposit so that I have 0.016 available right now, and you can claim 0.001 TRX every 30 minutes from this website very easily and quickly, like this one. Now I receive again my profit from this website, and you can check out. I have to come here after 30 minutes to claim again this bonus. You can check out. I have only 2 GI charger power and I can generate profit per minute, profit per hour, and profit yearly from this website. If you want to start your money, you need to make deposit in this website through different ways. Just click on boy hash rate power. Now you can check out. You can go on number of plan we have available. Boy hash rate power. You can start your available miner plan starter tier. You can make deposit through any of your method, required method, your easiest method to make deposit, and your every plan will work for you for 30 days. You can start purchase 1 GI charger power to 499 GI charger power in this starter plan, and if you go on professional tier, then you can purchase 500 to 1900 GI charger power in this plan. We have enterprise tier, we have number of price tier. You can make deposit, increase earning to generate number of benefit from this money platform. And if you go on first pay account, then you can increase your hash rate power with the help of deposit. You can check out. If you can make deposit 0.5 TRX, then you can generate 0.023 TRX per day from this website, and total return will be 0.7 TRX in this website. And if you can purchase only 50 GI charge power, you need to make deposit only 25 TRX, and you can generate 1.167 TRX per day, and 35 TRX you can generate from this website in just 30 days. That is total profit from this website. In this way you can make deposit. Just click on buy now option and you can choose direct wallet or first pay wallet. You can choose any of your required asset wallet. I just go on first pay so that I have to click on confirm purchasing now. Then this website directly bring you into your first pay account to make your first deposit, to enhance your earning, to generate number of benefit in this website through deposit. Whenever you read in your first pay account for deposit, here you need to select your currency of TRX like this, and then click on proceed to payment. You need to make deposit minimum 0.5 TRX and maximum as much as you want. You can make deposit to increase earning, to generate number of benefit in this website. Now come to the website. Here I am going to show that another way to increase your earning without deposit. Just click on three dots option now and go to referral system, and here you go to your affiliate link. You need to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you are going to generate number of benefit from your each referral deposit. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now after watching this video, if you still have any curious question about this mining platform, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to take withdraw from this website, just click on withdraw option now. Enter your max amount of TRX you have in your account and click on confirm request now. You can see that this website going to pay us directly within a second from this money platform direct to our first pay account through this very easily and quickly. Hopefully you like it, you will love it.